everyone, it's Cassandra.
And I'm Kristen, and we're from Modern Gents. So after searching high and low, you finally found your perfect engagement ring and wedding band.
But now the real struggle unfolds, finding a men's band that fits your ring and your fiance's personal style. But we're here to help you narrow down that search.
So we're gonna show you 5 men's wedding bands to help you find that perfect ring for an almost perfect partner.
Our first ring is the Titan, made from titanium steel. It's lightweight, ultra durable, and available in 4 classic colors: rose gold, gold, silver, and black.
This ring is great for the no-nonsense guy. He wants something simple but masculine, and it's a great alternative to that traditional white gold band, and it's a lot more affordable.
So if your fiance is more timeless and he wants something that doesn't break the bank, the Titan's gonna be your ring.
My personal favorite finish is the silver.
So this is our second ring, the Excalibur. It's made out of tungsten and it's designed for the minimalist man. It's a solid and sleek looking ring that has nice durability to it, but a little bit of weight.
This ring is great for everyday wear, but it's also great to dress up for a night out. Since it has a smart black finish, it's great to go with any women's set that you've already picked out. I definitely think more people should consider black bands. Our third ring is great because it's made out of silicone. It's our Force Flex ring. It still looks sleek and stylish, so you don't have to compromise.
Right, and it really doesn't look like silicone at all.
That's my favorite part about it.
So the Force Flex is perfect for that man who's constantly in the gym, maybe he's a rock climber, firefighter, or even a mechanic. This is the ring for him.
The next ring that we're going to show you guys is called the Valyrian. It's made out of Damascus steel. Any Game of Thrones fans out there?
So this ring is perfect for that man who wants to be different and likes to take risks in life. So each Valyrian is hand forged and it gives it this dark and grainy wood finish. Every finish is unique to each Valyrian that we do have.
The great thing about this ring is that it pairs really well with our sterling silver women's rings. The Bliss, the Meadow, or my personal favorite, the Evermore.
And finally, we have the Stealth, a ring made from carbon fiber. This ring is actually one of Modern Gents' personal favorites, as we consider it to be the best man's wedding band ever.
The great thing about that carbon fiber is that it's gonna make the ring super durable, but also super lightweight. The great thing about the matte finish is that it's also scratch resistant and it's bound to go with any ring that you've picked. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. We hope that we provided you some insight into the world of men's wedding bands. So be sure to share this video with your fiance or any guy that needs a little bit of a hint.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Instagram at @themodgents. Let us know in the comments which ring was your favorite.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye!
Bye.